All right, you guys send me this. I've been seeing these. Okay. So these are the drone deliveries, but with food. I'm gonna say, all right. At first, I said I don't think they work. Okay, because what about the drinks? And but then, so you have Serve and you have NBIS. Now NBIS Semiconductor and fucking they have a subsidiary that does the rolling robots, Avis. Okay, but bottles and a can's gonna get all shooken up. And then you're gonna say there the thing about people getting their drone licenses, those that are gonna fly the drones. But listen, dude, I think that within a short time, I think the drones will go autonomous. If the trucks are autonomous, the cars are autonomous, I feel like the drones, Katos, that's what Katos is doing for different purposes. But then you have Serve. Now, I used to talk about Serve a lot. I have sold out of Serve. I did say it on X, I do believe, or I said in a video in passing. I feel like once I say something out loud or post it to the internet, I really don't have to repeat myself, but I do realize that is not the way the internet works at all. So, I'm out of Serve. I left them. They were my babes. I loved them. I loved Serve a lot, but sold them a nice gain, so goodbye. And since I sold, teetering downward still, but they pop nice today. But that today's pops on things, unless it's autonomous trucking, because Aurora. Dude, and my dumbass, I gotta get into MBIS. I gotta get into it. And fucking people I respect on X post that Alvaro Mysterio guy, dude. And every time I look at his shit and I'm like, I'm gonna get in, and then I don't get in. And it has to do with my fucking bias. I'm very biased against fucking foreign companies. Europe, Netherlands. I gotta stop. I gotta stop because look at those gains. Look at those fucking gains over Serve, dude. So I had said I'm gonna sell out a Serve and then I'm gonna put it in MBIS, but then I sold the Serve and I didn't put it in MBIS months ago, dude. Fucking dumbass, my dumbass. I do this, but this one has the rolling robots. But I do think that those drone ones, I think they could do something. I think that the drone things might actually do things, but I don't know if it's going to be as good with food. I think rolling, but then I live in Buffalo. And of course, you always have your great ones, Amazon and Google. Let's just not forget Google's fucking drone subsidiary, and they're going to do shit with that. It's Google. And, they get all the permission, they get all the special treatment. So let's not sleep on our great ones. We don't always have to get into the penny stock, although ONS, we do love our ONS, but ONS isn't going to be delivering things, but still. But I would just say maybe Amazon and fucking Google, because these other little drone guys that are going to be competing with them in the delivery, I feel like they're going to fucking lose. You know what I'm saying? I don't know, but definitely if we're bullish on drone delivery, I think we should just keep in mind, don't forget, our magnificent motherfucking 7 is it's taking flight.